This is the safest place in the world for your money. Or at least, that's what the geniuses at the bank want you to believe. Most people think a savings account is where wealth is built. They see that tiny bit of interest hit their account every month and think they're winning. But I'm the dumb investor, and when I look at the math, I don't see a savings account, I see a slow-motion scam designed to drain your purchasing power while you sleep. Today, I'm going to show you why your safe bank account is actually the riskiest place to keep your money in 2025, and how the banks are getting rich using your life savings against you if the bank pays you 1% interest, but the cost of eggs, gas, and rent goes up by 6%. You didn't make 1%. You lost 5%. You are literally paying the bank for the privilege of letting your money die. The bank takes your $100 and lends it out 10 times over. They charge 18% on credit cards and 7% on mortgages using your money. They give you a lollipop and 0.5% interest, while they keep the other 17.5%. Who's the dumb one now? The banks don't want you to be an investor. They want you to be a saver, because savers provide the fuel for the bank's profit. But in a world of $38 trillion in debt, saving paper is a losing game. I'm not saying you should have zero cash. I'm saying you should stop treating a bank account like a wealth strategy. It's a tool for bills, not a path to freedom. Are you still saving your way to poverty? Or are you ready to start owning things that actually grow? Let me know in the comments how much your bank is paying you to lose money. Hit that subscribe button so we can keep exposing the system. I'm the Dumb Investor. Thanks for watching.